Today's battleground is the Volcano Circuit, 4 full laps, and we're racing in the 180 to 350 category. I'm rolling out on the Canyon Airroad 2024, paired up with DT Zwift's wheels. There's only one thing left to do.
Let's race.
Going into this, I was expecting a pretty gentle opening. A lot of the crit races I've done recently have started off fairly controlled, but that expectation lasted about 5 seconds, because as soon as the race kicked off, the pace was on, and it stayed on. No easing, no freebies, straight into the hurt locker. For a moment, I'm fighting just to stay connected. The speed is relentless, but finally the group eases ever so slightly and I manage to latch on. Crisis averted, for now. From there the race just keeps rolling at this high tempo for lap after lap, no real let up. So let's jump ahead to lap 3. At this point, things are looking pretty solid. Heart rate is still under control, my positioning is good, and we've got a downhill coming up. Normally, a perfect chance to recover. And that's when the thought creeps in. Maybe now's the time to try something. Nothing crazy, just a small dig. A little test to see how the group reacts. I push on, but as you can see, it doesn't really go anywhere. One rider responds, the elastic snaps back, and just like that, I'm reeled in again. Message received. Now it's the final lap, and I know this is where things are going to explode. As we exit the volcano, my position is decent, but then I make a mistake. I think the road keeps dropping downhill, so I ease off slightly. You can see it right here. Power dips, I sit up, and the group smells blood. The pace surges, and suddenly I'm on the back foot. I realise what's happening and start throwing in some big efforts, digging deep to claw my way back towards the front before it's too late. By the time we hit the final climb, I've made it back into the group and enter the volcano in about 8th position. Now it's all about timing. Hold on and wait. At 200 meters to go, I deploy the feather, launch the sprint, and start moving past riders one by one. Across the line, 5th place. And honestly, I'll take that all day long, especially when you look at the numbers. The riders ahead were pushing nearly an extra watt per kilogram over me. Against that kind of power, 5th feels like a win.